Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ray. Check it out, guys. I got some more equipment for my Super Duty here. Listen, it took me a while to really research and figure out what's good for me as far as my towing system, and I came up with 3 products that I ended up picking up, and I want to share with you guys. All right, as you can see in front of you, I have the Curt, what do they call it? The adjustable channel mount. All right, tow hitch, pretty much. All right. Also, I have the bolt key lock system, and I have the rocket strap system. But I'm just going to show you my setup. Pretty much this is what this video is going to be about. All right, I'm a beginner tower, if that makes any sense. All right, I haven't really towed a lot of big items, so this summer coming up, actually this holiday season, I'm going to be towing a big trailer, and I'm excited in doing this. All right, so these are the things I came up with. And if you're researching this type of project, if you just picked up a Super Duty and you're looking to figure out what you need for your towing system, this is what I have. So maybe you can cherry pick what you like and apply it to you. All right, guys, again, this is a Ray Place, and I'm just about DIY, do it yourself, and just sharing products that I'm into and hoping to share that information with you guys. And again, you can cherry pick what you like about it. You can disregard what you don't like about it and apply it to your life to make it a little better. All right, they always said knowledge is power, so sharing information just makes us a better community. And that's pretty much it, guys. All right, so enough of me talking, let's get into the products. Please consider like, subscribe, and let's go. All right, guys, as you can see here, I have the Curt towing system. This is the 45902. All right, and guys, I ended up picking this up from my favorite store, Amazon, and I will put a link below on this particular item. And again, if you consider picking this up, please consider using that link, because it does support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. All right, so let's get this open. And as you can see, guys, and the reason why I went with this, guys, because you know, with the Super Duty, you know, we do have a higher towing capacity, so I wanted something that I am not restricted to anything that I want to tow. And as you can see, this has a 2-inch ball plus a 2 5/16 ball, and they both rated for different weight capacity. This was for 10,000 pounds, and the 2 5/16 is rated for over 20,000 pounds. I don't expect it ever to go over that, at least in my towing situation. All right, but I just wanted the flexibility, so if I have enough clearance, no matter what I'm towing, I have enough. All right, so I don't mind overdoing it. All right, again, because you guys are gonna be towing things down the interstate. I just want to get nice quality products that's gonna be safe and reliable. Okay. All right, guys, I hope you see this. Very nice, very nice. You know, give you all the fittings for it. Side, and this is very heavy, guys, as it should be. All right, come well packed, and this is how it looks, guys. Let's take this off. And for me, I really like this type of design that you can flip it. So I had other tow packages that you had to take the ball off, interchange it. You know, it was nice, but again, I prefer this type of design. All right, if I need a higher capacity or larger ball, just turn it over and it's there. And pretty much these are the 2 sizes I'm gonna be towing it anyway, so I don't expect to ever need anything bigger than this. So I definitely like how that looks. And let's this is the Curt's device, guys. Very nice heavy metal, of course, steel. Very nice. I like the powder coating on it. And just for your information, my tow hitch is a 2.5 inch, and that's what I end up going with. I researched and said, well, you always can get a sleeve for a 2-inch. I'm of the philosophy, if I have a 2.5 insert, it's best to insert the proper size. With you know, I don't think it's a big deal with the sleeve, but I just didn't like another sleeve reducing this. All right, give me the fullest capacity that I can use to be hooked to my hitch, and I think it's, I don't know, it's just, to me, I think it's a better fit. So I hope that makes sense to you. I'm not into the sleeves, not unless I have to and there's no choice, but in this case I don't think there's a need, for at least for my towing situation. So what we're gonna do, guys, let's get this hooked up into the tow hitch and just pretty much take a look at it. All right, this is, again, just a little informational, a little visual information for you guys out there who's looking to pick up this particular tow hitch or something similar. All right, again, more information you have out there, the more you're able to make a more informed decision. That's pretty much this video's about. All right, so let's get into that. Let's set this up. I'm gonna reposition the camera and let's get this hooked up. All right, guys. All right, guys, as you can see here, I have my my Tremor here. Now with the 2020, guys, you know that we have the 2.5 inch. All right, and this trailer, or this hitch, is rated for over 15,000 pounds, 15,200 exactly. Now, to my understanding, I believe the 2021s, they upgraded this to the 3-inch hitch, and you can go further up there. I think probably 18,000. All right, I have the Tremor with the Godzilla engine, and I ended up getting the 2.5 inch. I wish they would have gave me the 3-inch, because it's definitely capable of towing that much. But some reason or other, Ford decided if you end up going with the Godzilla engine and you didn't get a certain tow package, like a camper and this and that, they was gonna give you the 2.5. So it is what it is, and again, it's good enough for my needs. But if you guys out there looking to pick up this type of vehicle, take a look at what type of hitch they give you. Always try to get the bigger one, all right, and try to work it in your deal. All right, I didn't know that before I bought this truck. I kind of wish I would have known that. I would have negotiated for that bigger tow hitch. But just a little information for you guys. All right, neither here or there. But again, let's take off my pen, my old pen I used to have. And what we're gonna do, guys, again, this is a 2.5 inch. And again, guys, this is a no-brainer how you do it. They give you 2 holes here, and you line it up to either one. All right, I'm gonna put mine to the one further in, and it fits very nicely. All right, and that's pretty much how it looks, guys. And depending on which angle or the level that you need it, you can throw it this way, or you can flip it around if you need a little more height that way. All right, so I think, in my opinion, is more designed to be this way. All right, you can correct me if I'm wrong, guys out there. Again, if you could flip it, they pretty much tell you the shank could be flipped for maximum rise of 5.25 inches and a drop of 6 inches. All right, so again, you can utilize it either way. You can go this way or flip it the other way. I'm gonna leave it like this for now. All right, and let's hook up the hitch to it. And I'm like that here, they got a little rubber stop here, so you don't get all that clanging. go, guys. And again, temporary, we're gonna use the one that we have here. And there it is, guys. And that's how it looks. It looks very nice, very nice. All right. And again, if you need the 2.5, very easy. Take it out, flip it around, and it's available. So, guys, I'm gonna give you guys a closer look on my setup here. Okay, guys. So, guys, I hope this is helpful for you guys, guys out there, again, looking for information, how it looks on the setup. Again, this is a 2.5 inch. It fits perfectly. As far as it moves a little bit, you got some play to it, so I'm hoping that won't be a big deal. All right, I won't know until I get into towing if I got a bunch of rattle on it, and if so, then I'll look for a solution to try to alleviate that. But overall, guys, this is how it looks. I pretty much definitely like the look of it, and it's definitely going to do the job for me. All right, guys, if this was helpful for you, please consider like, subscribe, and stay tuned for, I guess, call part 2 of this video. All right, because I pretty much didn't want to make this too long. I want to make it short for you guys. I'm going to open this up, key lock system, and it's going to go in place of this. All right, this is ideal. I think this is a must-have, guys, to protect your hitch. But those in the towing world knows that these things are not cheap. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to hook this up, give you my opinion about it, and that's it. All right, so stay tuned. Check out that video, guys. I got a playlist for everything about this super Tremor. Please consider like, subscribe, and we'll get into it later.